singularity specific ka kobu kaworol kenyol bagarai ko the future of Raila ka chungani ka gwaror wangame ko de yene ga ngawru la lengane mi ran jo majek lenga be like ka be share we share bana kon wan nan ba ke chup tin kon den ba nu ye ka tin tu Raila ko ke chang wala na ba Menyam mewo Dr. Ga jala the practical governor of Jonglei State. Jaka aku yo aku pan ke chang wol diech. Ta dar te ga aku bu ku ground ku prepare ke is party. Las fiala maji ku be aku bu beta goba. Reason the content could succeed ka Dr. Ga ko be chob naga ko despite the presence of SPLM IO in Winnie ta nar ta SPLM IO movement thongo Ga to be de ka ko abo yuri am thongo mo bo ta ga chance ko be preparation be olat ko be party de be akubu beta gobo taro kan the reason the content number 1 tin bagora jodian ku bor palpinya gwa beginning and reason dan chukere ga ka fobo mera ude the pack to commissioner of Kobu County ni Miss Chris Makwaj la kwenya la bilio officially chero declare ku chalara na SPLM aji yen ka SPLM ayu nuga ta pan shere ga me shelur ga jaka kubu te di alle pan de chiro di allat mande activities ni lure ga yo de jako akubu county commissioner ni James Chris Makwaj arana spela maji julong la arana spela mayu mandio den o jerol wolnya kene de yitan pien ka khawat menda khawat that preparing their first real gorodian ka ko ba motor kene piri ba ka attack pan chane ne rungwan de ko area mbu te grinal mi nyur khawat rinal mojela ga dei yela ga tayini yela ga mach taro ko ginten ko ba kamgar taro ko be wote mobilization by chap loko ba mobilize ba ga joins then ba koromo ba tere kare loko men wandien balao pan je de emergency meeting mi cha convince ko motot kane fiere dolo mai ti wai army la white army loko kana kwarbong ke jiching the outcome of dual mo akel mi ban wajode ku mi la dual pan ngum mi cha mat pin ka the meeting chal je ko kunyuka taro ke ti ba ko la du ne re lo ko shermala ne ko future chang in a balance ta dan bro la tin ko rin ban ke speculate manu de korode lat ketri kemendian bana tin keli sergata la ne ko bor palping bigeling mendan lune ken nak baron wangre takore ga jaga kubu sergata na ne lat chakola the reason ko succeed gi ko be chop ka kubu odi an wale ka gwaron wangme medakone akubu county ta na ngai ge jeni wona ne okien no take center of decision making ti de jugu nyur de decision de kana kamrar second ke this particular time akubu tam decision making ne enap teni bong ala korwech korching traditional leaders she korbunam kana the con char go what will happen in Akobo today what can happen tomorrow so melarode Commissioner Kano one and she has fell my woo. Manakum Mentato. So the lack of military capacity that you were along could buy power by will the lack of personalities can I contain quite fell my woo quite common tongue chunk. Personalities to control military personalities. You talk of the command, Caspiala Mayo barracks, to counter law, Shaka Kub. She got a quar. Quarky and Javal and no water upon a week desperate to go on a road, which would have Spella Mayo Goron. She got a position, she got an objective. So, Kono, Quavi intimidate a chap. Chapa warana kan Raigaro. So Raigaro a decision need to make with a connection commissioner alakwet nyala wana kuna lar ichi depak from aspela mayu chororo mara aspela maji. So na mo situation ni milawara ka kobu ko decision making kalau Incontaga Kobu Shakan, Chile Kum, Chile Spella Mayu, Chile Bong. Kurizan Nala Bong, a woody, she has Spella Mayu, a very strong presence in Tonga. She will look at nothing. The tornado boom. Two like a Kuma Spella Mayu, that need a Spella Mayu decision making, make a center. We issue our Kobu. Baleldi Gorangani to Bakuma Spella Mayo, I don't worry activate Kakub. And Richard Kano is the issue of one and regard Yaka Kobu, who grown que prepare, que kumede, ko neba kubi better gobble. Shima ota Spella Mayo te winmi ka kon ri batiang ko mogor mogoloide mi jagane kadu jagani tidia lagojeto balwang na ke libera ka ko buku bisal fakir rega footprint strong footprint for the first time after 13 years. So raini yeje na mo bana ngai ko lo dia lo and despite the welcoming situation that will follow. This following days. Whether we call a knock, corner look. The reason to call a guy, this nin the corner about him Kubu. About your contact can all the locals. The local bogle. To call a large make a decision about Kobe attack or Borokan Spella Mayu. The contact Niki and Barakan, Bagakang, the Benko Jube, the better contact again, the Ran Bedok, the telephone with the local community leaders. And that is the objective of the guide. The last objective in the Bangaji Oven, the Akubicha look. Look, and that is the reason they want to cope despite the situation in the region of Sudan and Wale. So the dialogue, no matter what can succeed, it will go for the reason the corner in but the outcome of what the Gakubu in India Kubu, we are a laka, Kore guy is taking about a Kubu, where the Nogene or a Logian. And the reason which a decision to rock, she apple, she lay on Bong. She could tell political decision making. She tells Bong, Alajira Ching can share decision making. That need a Spella Mayu, go over decision mo, by Charco, Kuba led this time. Mendana Lareude, the de facto commissioner. Nije mis quiz makwaje la quiz nyala bilio ko ndi aliana nen ku je the facts from Spella Mayu kula ne wala SPLM mayu me kwa nyere ga cha kwa nyinde ne mo SPLM mayu wanye allow a controversial figure mugar ni man going below that is relationship with system na ndo jube the maltiako ba connect bala is strong in the name of Johnson going below ben chao kala die dia le kon cha no ngandri de no ngi ka bong chi decision ka SPLM ayu so that is the effect of which decision yen ka siasa cha wa ka bong cha ku cha no the interest quest ka khor gwa da barme e wo kana ga bi ka relation ba footprint of self-care by establish ka kubu so je talk chi ga cha wa. So we talk about it and okay in the corner go good liquid good and Iran SPLM mayu this is how good is Chakanti and SPLM mayu chalara SPLM maji so ka SPLM mayu go decision ba make about quiz go quiz ba lele ka kubu ke this time ko chabe de uni SPLM mayu command jabara the decision mulara jago God is not allowing a coup she quiz she waka do bremenguje she chap she go mobilize she weakness of SPLM mayu na lane she exploit she rega she waka coup mulu you succeed so now is matter over the coup we support of rega keep rega bar benang with promotion. So now ameloni nukwe that the pack to a commissioner take with on specialized freedom ballot go quit wedi ka kubu this time menda dien General Walnyak Canada Eastern Pay we know these two figure ka chiendak ka chiempelkir ka kor gwa de chi wo chi ga de pack go chi really clear ko ji kum so some of them were in Juba ta dang ye ta in pien te go Juba ta wol nyak ta go Juba ta ga ma pa do ri ke lat ga jeno so now it's time when go bi ga ta ga lat ta go flew from Juba ya nang ka wat there in wat ta ga ni jo bo de ko wat so this following day cha day ya ga nang wat cha mai cha ga nang wat cha dai yin cha nang wat ken ya me ga task ko ba simple ke ba so la ken be bana wat be ka ba mai ba kor ba kap ko motor da ken ba motor ba control last strong all of SPLM mayu rai lok so nano is one of the things milaro da rai lok today cha to pan ko ne ne re nya le nyu cha ne ne ri in wan ko ya kwa ko ya ga nang as a response to na new law to bogni to community leaders to korbo namni to new komotot ko fear ko what is happening as a response to that chinamat ko na na law ko to go position ko ko jayu to call la audience anyone which confused that want to make a problem law ko should self-care ko should kumaka jube consequently occur. So Muluru law Chiga agree they will protect themselves and white army and they will have a response to all this propagation. Allow Tilatka can Jukuma but a response or Latka law Mulatka can resolve can parade medal appear can a motor. That will happen. So Corona you be a good law position of work supported by those few individuals to let confuse law baga stress baga camrar and situation below guard Michiano Ryan in Lunu and the Eastern Pay can urmulai Charlie Walnyak Kakawat preparing for any events the Lanakare law Chergo Court Tiyin toro kerin dia la kono do kono chole nuon walle ke morning news which tin gre lo ko to go dung din media ga nu biata ga linkedin and the concept of all this thing gre lo ko the future hang in a balance. The reason ku ja bang in balance everything of Dr. Guys kata na cho ga kubu ku problem will follow kata dan tongo. The reason lana decision in jaga kubu ko ba weak men beregard be penetrate as pala mayu ka kubu jetal personalities lat ga decision akan decision jo pented abong la chap raching but the jaga right the factory commissioner ba kubu continue James Kwes makwaj la Kwes nya la bilio George openly which alara na spela maji gata pan echelo Dr. Gaj despite ku ja spela mayu chela do Gaj is not allowed in Akobo. So cha garo ku yul nya kana de yita impien ku ka wat prepare ku de kor de nang motot ne fiere tara ku de le cholo ke nyin chang wala na ti ko kien de lot ke ni tiang ban lu jit